Hello and welcome to this Wellington Meccano Club video. So this video is all about some Meccano Elektrikit Stereo speakers I made last year, and this video is going to show them actually working. They are powered by one rectangular solenoid at the back, and for the diaphragm all I actually used was a pudding bowl here, just a plastic bowl from the supermarket. And so yeah, I'll show you these speakers actually working, and at the end you can see some plans how to actually make them if you want to make them yourself anyway. Thanks.